Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 shutdown problem. So there are several scenarios can be reason for this kind of issues. So first scenario is computer won't shut down, that means stuck at the spinning no restart again and again. So in this scenario, number one fix is you need to disable fast startup. To do that, first you need to go to search bar, type control panel, click on it, make sure view by set as the large icons, then go to the power options in here, click on choose what the power buttons do option, click on change setting that are currently unavailable, untick the turn on fast startup option and tap on save changes. And the second method is you need to prevent background programs from the blocking the shutdown. To do that, you need to right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, go to the startup tab. So these are the applications currently affected to startup. So check startup impact level high options, and if you see that application is unrecognized, so you don't need that one, simply select that one and tap on disable option, then that application will be disabled. So the next method is you need to use a direct command to force the shutdown. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. You need to type shutdown space /s space /f space /t and space 0 and hit enter. So for your understanding, S is for the shutdown, F is for the force all stubborn background apps. So this will shut down your computer. And the second scenario is if your computer shut down randomly, that means while you are using, the first fix is you need to check your internal overheating. If your machine works fine during light tasks, but if you are doing heavy tasks, shut down your computer, that means it can be reason for the internal overheating. So first you need to check your thermal pads and temperature of the CPU, try to replace thermal on your processor. And the second method is you need to run a system file scan. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. You need to type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will check entire application, entire system to fix the corrupted system files. And the last method is you need to test your power supply unit. If the system shut off instantly, that means your power supply unit likely degraded or failing. So you need to replace your power supply, or you can check with the other power supply to confirm the issue is on the power supply.